everybody, this is Eric Gamer TV here. Today I'm playing Bee Swarm Simulator. Right now I'm just here in this game where I am a bee. Though I'm not so sure how. That's a problem. So I'm just okay. Never mind. I can't buy any bees though. Okay. Come on, I don't have anything. I have 0 types of bees. Oh, and by the way, this boy here is my friend. I'm not gonna reveal his real name though. That's a problem. Okay. Okay, the problem here is they are telling me to go to my hive to make honey, but the problem is I don't have any honey. In the real world, bees make honey how? Nectar, not pollen. But this is Roblox. Anything goes. Come back when you've collected. Oh, come on. You mean I just collected 300 pollen for nothing? I'm so disappointed. Come on. How am I supposed to make honey when I don't even have anything? And anyway, where is the sunflower field? That's a problem there, you see. I got 332 honey, whereas I'm going to make more, which I can't, of course. There's a problem. This is a sunflower field and I do not know. Okay, since I got this honey, I must reset my character because the problem here, right, is I don't have any honey. Right now, I'm just trying to make honey out of this. And boom! Nice job, here's a reward. Come ready for another version. Quest reward. Stun flower start. Okay. Dandelion. What's dandelion? Where is lion? Where is dandelion? He only can see the ones that I sent to him. And the problem here is I don't know where's the dandelion. Please help me. Because I really need help. I show you, come on, thank you. Where is the dandelion? Okay, I'll just for everything. Well, that's it. 300. That's it. No more honey. Pollen, sorry. 300 out of 200. I don't understand. You mean I collect? Oh my god. You said dandelion. I said dandelion. I can't find the dandelion. And that's the problem. Where is the dandelion? Okay, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where? I can't find it and I got it wrong. Hatch or bee? I don't even have a bee. Excuse me. Then the lion. Please tell me. Oh, okay. I need an egg. Hey, you said egg. Hatch or bee? Yes, I know. Please tell me where is the dandelion. Oh! Oh, I get it. So I went to the dandelion field over here. The problem was I didn't even complete it. That's the problem there, you see. So actually he was right all the time. And I was wrong all the time. Hmm. $500 Poland. Fine. Poland fetcher. Wait, he said Poland. Is it any Poland? Cause oh, okay, it's any Poland. Any Poland, by the way. Any Poland. Any Poland. Fine. Pole container full. I don't understand. I haven't completed yet. Open the egg menu and yeah. Can you do it for other people? Oh, come on. I don't have a honeycomb. I guess this is what we'll do then. He said. This is what I have to do. That's the problem. Since I got not enough space, I don't even know where's the shop. Where is the shop? Someone tell me. Oh, okay. So quest, how many? 348. I don't even have enough honey. Forget it. I'm so sad. Reset. Oh, goodbye. Hi. Hi. Hello, Rain. As you can see, I'm going around collecting my pollen. When are you recording? Now. I am recording now, people. If you do not know, because seriously, I know I am recording. Otherwise, why are you coming here to watch my video? You see? Come on. No quest. Oh my. What? From what flowers? 600. You gotta be kidding. I don't even know where's the red. 600 red pollen. Where is the red pollen? Oh wait. At least let me buy a bee. At least let me buy one bee. Thank you. One bee. All I'm asking for. One bee. Just one bee. Oh, come on. Do I even have a bee? Oh, I got an egg. But yes, I don't even know how to hatch a bee. Okay, let's see. I want to ask you one question. Okay? This egg, basic egg, how are you supposed to hatch it when I don't even have it? And seriously, where's the red one? Okay, oh my god. Help! Help! Hello. Reset. We'll get reverse. Conditions. Oh. Conditions. What conditions? I hate conditions, you know. Oh, come on. Must you always do this to me? Bully me? You're scary. No, seriously, scary. Can you even attack me? Oh no, I'm running away. Running away. Running away. Okay. Fine. Go away. Ladybug. I shall respawn yet again. Oh yeah, and seriously, there's a shop. Oh, over there. I guess I have to go to the shop first thing when I respawn. Let's go. Let's go to the shop. Go to the shop. Go to the shop. Go to the shop. Let's go to the shop. Let's go. Club. Respawn Simulator Club. I will do that later. Don't worry. Can't afford. Jar. 650. I'll do this. How do you equip? How does one get an egg? I need help. How to Yeah, how do you get an egg? How to hatch? How to hatch an egg? And one egg, any egg. You have WhatsApp. Oh no, I don't have WhatsApp. How to hatch? Yeah, I'm wondering how to hatch. Egg menu. Egg. Yeah, I need help. Egg. This. Oh, okay. I get it. Egg. I don't see anything. Basic egg. Egg menu. Dragon egg. Yeah, help. I need help. I need help. I have an egg. That's the problem. I have an egg. I don't know how to hatch the egg. Well, anyway, how am I supposed to hatch an egg? How to hatch egg? Egg, egg, egg. I tried. Claim your hive. Claim hive. Egg menu. Egg menu. Egg menu. Egg. Okay. This. See here? It gives me this. Oh. 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 I understand. I understand.